All right, we're starting off with some Italian style meatballs in our 13 by 9. I'm gonna lay those flat just like so. Next, I'm coming in with some diced tomatoes, and we are gonna just sprinkle those right on top of our meatballs. Kind of spread them from edge to edge. They'll fall in between the meatballs, get them nice and juicy. Next thing we're coming in with is some marinara. You can use whatever marinara you like. I've never tried this one, so I'm gonna give it a try today. Hopefully it is delicious. Usually I go for the Rayo's, but today we are doing a new sauce. Rayo's is getting too expensive for me. Okay, get all of that out. We're using the whole jar. Come back in with our spatula and get that spread from edge to edge. This is gonna be such a tasty kind of Italian, American dish, however you wanna say it. It's my style and that's the way I like it. We have some whole milk ricotta cheese, which is gonna make this extra creamy, extra delicious. And we are gonna add scoops of ricotta to our dish, just here and there. It's gonna melt in the oven and be so delicious. Go ahead and do this. And if you don't like ricotta, you can use cream cheese. You can use cottage cheese, whatever your palate likes, just go for it. All of my dishes are customizable. This is just gonna be, a quick dinner, so you can swap out whatever you like. All right, one more time with that spatula and kind of just press down that ricotta, get it marbled into our sauce and our diced tomatoes. This is gonna be so yummy. I mean, just look at that creaminess with that marinara. It doesn't get any better than this. All right, we're almost done here. We are gonna grab some fresh mozzarella. You can use mozzarella slices if you prefer, but I love how thick these little slices are, and these are gonna go right on top of the entire dish. Kind of just lay them however you like. We wanna make sure that every bite has some mozzarella, so we are gonna use this whole entire package and just lay them just like so. Delicious. Okay, the best part, save the best for last. We have some Texas toast. And we're placing our Texas toast right on top of here. Oh my goodness, it smells so good, you guys. You can make your own garlic bread if that's what you prefer, but I love Texas toast. It is just the best, and it's gonna crisp up right on top of our meatball casserole and be such a complimentary flavor to everything else. And look, one package fits perfectly for our 13 by 9. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. Okay, so my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna bake for 40 minutes. All right, dinner is ready. Oh, it smells so good. All I can smell is the Texas toast, but I know everything else is gonna be delicious. Okay, we're just gonna go right in, get our meatballs, get our everything. All right, here. Looks so good. All right, let's give it a try. Woo, that toast. So good.